shall cause the purchaser, do hereby sign every document wherever you need my signature. Wherever, which office you want, I will come. Because you want to construct a building. That fellow, town country planning fellow asked, who sold you? Srinivasa Rao. Call him, sign here. Okay, I am coming and signing. Yes sir, I sold. Let him construct. I have no objection. I am coming. Whenever you want, I will come. Future assurance. That is the meaning. Do hereby, act, sign every document for the purpose of more perfectly assuming the property. Means to assume your perfectness of your property, I will come. I will sign wherever you want. That is the purpose. Last one is schedule, full property, where it was stated, south and so and so on. Full details. That is the way how sale deed will be there, my dear friends. The last one, in witness thereof, the parties here to have signed this deed at the place and on the day, here witnesses are. That is the only place witnesses will come. They will only see signatures of the execution we are calling vendors, sellers. Say, I will tell you, common sense, in a sale, only seller has to sign. Why I have to sign? Only if I have to pay still some balance, I have to sign. Clear? Sale deed, only seller has to sign. Precautionary, if I am not wrong, we are taking buyer signature also. Seller, buyer, witnesses. I hope you correct. Otherwise, why buyer has to sign? You are selling to me. I paid money. You are telling also in that Srinivasa Rao already paid the money totally. When you mentioned, when you sign, over. Correct or not? Actually, buyer signature no need. But whereas in a mortgage, in a lease, both has to sign. Why? I am giving to you to enjoy the property. Every month you have to pay the rent. You are signing that you are ready to pay the rent. I am signing because I am giving my house to enjoy my house. Both are having obligation. In a sale, where is your obligation? I paid, you are selling. Actually, I am telling you, just precaution purpose. Come re Baba, you also sign, you also. We thought that we without signatures it's not a sale. No, not necessary. That is actual logic. That's why I told you only vendors, only sellers and witnesses. Clear? Sale over. Sorry, sir. If the person who is purchasing or seller?
The buyer's signature.
Required when?
To avoid benamis.
Okay. Yes. Very good. Simply you are very good question. Thank you very much. I will explain you, my dear friends, what your advocates have told. I realized what he told is correct. Why it is? Without real sale, simply namesake you are selling to avoid your taxes or to avoid something, so your land acquisition or land sealing or something. Benami transaction. How many of you heard this word? Right. Actually a fictitious name you are transferring. Nobody is there. Buyer. Simply you told it is not mine, it is somebody's. Who is that? Me only. That's why what he is saying that's why they are insisting buyer also has to sign better. Authenticity is more because the buyer signature is there. That is the only concept, to avoid the fraud. But in reality, not compulsory. Now they encourage. Because olden days are golden people. Okay. Right. Okay. Right. Yes. Because nowadays I am telling you, I will tell you, sir, before, my grandfather and his father's time, sale without any document only. Take that land. I sold. How many understood? Olden days, take the land, give money, over. That is not mine. In documents, registration office, in revenue records, still my name and my father name only. That fellow purchased. Because golden people, they never used to go that side. I sold, it is not mine. Hello, your name is there. Shut up, Ray. We sold. Now, even after we... Right, thank you. Is it correct? Did I told you? This statement, I think I explained you. Yes or no? Thank you very much. Same story, we'll see. Earnest money, which I already explained you, I don't waste time. This everything matter will be there with your principal or your director. You can take it later, no, don't worry. What is the covenant in agreement to sell? 1 minute. I will pay the remaining balance. I am giving advance. I will pay the remaining balance. That is a covenant. That fellow, once you pay, I will prepare a sale deed. That is a covenant. You will pay the remaining balance, covenant by you. Buyer. Seller, you pay, I will prepare a sale deed. That is my covenant. Clear? That is actual covenants. Firstly, we will go ahead. Same story. This agreement to sell, right, is made at Karimnagar. Agreement to sell, please remember. Between so and so. So description, place, date, parties, right? Parties. Then habendum, whereas the vendor, owner in, what is that? Recitals. Vendor is the owner of the property because he is having purchased a property from so and so person. That's why now he is the owner of the property. Narrative recital. The property was divided into various plots. Same thing, narrative, how I became a owner of the property. Right? Then introductory recital. Purchaser approached me, he want to purchase the property, that's why I want to sell the property. Why I am selling? Introductory recital. Whereas the both parties are Indian nationals, now this agreement to sell, witnesses as under. Purchase, please remember, different words. Purchaser wants to purchase. Agreement to sell, not sale deed. It is not sale deed. That is a different. Want to sell, vendor shall sell. He will sell in future. Right? That's why it is an agreement to sell. Right? So the remaining consideration and everything is same. So advance is giving some amount, right? Same thing, receipt. He received some amount. The balance amount, covenant, when he will pay the remaining balance. Right? Upon payment, once you pay the money, I will prepare a sale deed in your favor. Right? Shall convey the said property. Means I will prepare a sale deed. I will prepare a sale deed once you pay the money. Once you pay the money, that is the sale. That is the agreement to sell. These are the different words between sale deed and here. Sale completed. This is only shall complete. There is only difference. Otherwise everything is same. Right. In case if you fails to, right, not execute because of default, if purchaser fails to purchase, he has to forego 50% of advance money, which means 50% is, thank you very much, 50% is earnest money, 50% is only advance. That is the meaning. Right? Intention is clear. Right? Then, in case seller don't want to sell to me, right? Purchaser will file a case for specific performance. Please remember, these are the important words. I am ready to purchase. If you are not ready to sell, I will file a case for specific performance. If I am not ready to purchase, remaining money if I fails to pay, then what advance I gave, I may lose some amount. That they will write. That is what? Because it is an agreement to sell. Tomorrow we both of us may change our mind. I don't want to purchase or you don't want to sell it. If I am ready to purchase, you don't want to sell it. I will file a case for specific performance of contract under specific relief act. Please remember. Once agreement to sell we enter, and if the party is not ready to sell, even though the purchaser ready to purchase, you have a right to file a suit against him for specific performance of contract. He may say, no, I will pay money. I don't want your money, sir. I want sell to me. Only in one case only it is not possible. When you know, for example, Venugopal Rao sir, all of you listen carefully, 1 minute. Venugopal Rao sir agreed to sell. Srinivasa Rao entered an agreement to sell. Later, we have not registered this agreement to sell, not registered. I was not in possession. I was not in possession also. 53A does not apply, party performance. Venugopal Rao sir, without my knowledge, sold the same property to one of you. You are innocently purchased a property without having a knowledge that there is an agreement between Venugopal Rao sir and Srinivasa Rao sir. You are a bona fide purchaser. Clear? Remember carefully. In such a case, I am having only agreement to sell. You are having a sale deed. Clear? And if you made a construction and everything, you made development something, then only I can claim compensation. I cannot ask specific performance. Because specific performance I can ask only if still property is in his hand. Property already passed to some other person who innocently purchased the property without the knowledge that there is an agreement between Srinivasa Rao and Venugopal Rao. She will be protected because she is having a sale deed. I have only agreement to sell. Clear? Burden of proof lies on her. She has to prove she is a bona fide purchaser. Otherwise, what I will do? I will file a case, defendant number 1, defendant number 2. He is the person who agreed to sell. She is the party who purchased in between. I will say that I want a specific performance, Your Honor. In the alternative, I want my money back, compensation, interest, this and that. In the alternative. Why alternative? In case if this madam proves that she is an innocent purchaser, bona fide purchaser, she will be protected, then what is my position? Once again I will file a suit? No. I will write in this only. I want a specific performance. In the alternative, I want return of my money, compensation, interest. How many understood? That is the importance of this property matter. Last one, schedule. You know very well property description. Clear? As schedule means north, south, west, where the property is situated, in details of the prescription of the property. Clear? Anything, friend? Sorry?
This is an important point, sir. Same point that I explained once again.
Yeah.
Same point.
I hope they cleared. Is it clear? You want repeat? Clear? Thank you. Yes, we will enter another maximum. Within 10 minutes, I will conclude it and I will leave for you for questionnaire. Some important areas, mortgage and leave and license, I will explain you briefly, at least, please. Deeds, anyway, you understood the concept. Deeds are there in this. You can read it. It is not a difficult, please remember. Deeds are there already in this. Concepts I have explained and I will leave it. Clear? Deed same. Heading same, covenant same, receipt same, everything is same. Clear? Concept, the pro forma of a deed, I already gave. I mentioned here. Only thing is, concepts I will explain and I will leave it, please. If time permits, with few minutes I will show you also. No. Agreement to sell is over. Yeah. 5 minutes enough for you. You will easily understand, especially final years. First time those who are, how many of you first time listening mortgage chapter, raise your hands. First time you are listening mortgage chapter means you have not written transfer of property subject, that law of property. Okay, around 6 to 7 or maximum 10 people. Okay, other people, they heard and they must have written exam also. Law of property subject in that mortgage chapter they must have studied. Concerned professor must have taught you. But anyway, only for these people purpose, and those people who know very fastly, they will understand. A little speed, please bear with me. Come on. Very simple. Morning when I taught you, I explained one point. I need money, I gave my watch, around 10,000 rupees watch it is, I gave him. I took 2,000 rupees loan. Whenever I repay the loan amount, you give back my watch as a security, right? Maybe some interest also I will pay for 2,000 rupees. Known as pledge. Pledge, movable property, pledge. Correct? If I am taking a 10 lakhs rupees loan from you, my house documents I am giving as a security, that is known as clear? Simple. Listen, interesting 2 points. Then we can go fastly the topic. Mostly simple mortgage by deposit of title deeds, otherwise known as equitable mortgage. These two mortgages, most of us, we are entering. I am repeating, listen, simple. Simple mortgage or mortgage by deposit of title deeds, otherwise known as equitable mortgage. These two we are entering. What is that? First I will tell you, later I will show the slides and everything. Simple mortgage means, I approach one of you, friend, I need urgently 20 lakhs rupees, either you or State Bank of India, whoever may be. Okay, I came to you, friend, I need urgently 20 lakhs. You told me, Rao, what are you giving security? Srinivasa Rao, what are you giving security? I told Baba, I have a house. Okay, I will give the security of my house. Acha, very good. How you want to give? Right. Sir, how many rupees stamp paper? 500 rupees? Or, it depends on the value of the loan. Correct me? Yeah. How much loan I have taken depends on stamp paper I have to purchase. I hope you know 500 rupees stamp paper, 100 rupees stamp paper. How many of you seen non-judicial stamp paper? Come on. You most of you seen, no? Non-judicial stamp paper. 100 rupees, 500 rupees. Okay. Yeah. Correct, no, sir? Right, listen. On the stamp paper, we started typing. I, K. Srinivasa Rao, son of Ramakrishna Rao, age 54, till now everything correct. Resident of Panaji, Goa. Hereby mortgaging my property situated in Jyotinagar. Not correct, but simply. Jyotinagar, in favor of, and just not Sagar means I don't have Jyotinagar house, I am telling you. Okay, so in favor of so and so Venugopal Rao sir, for the purpose of taking an advance, for the purpose of securing loan which I am taking from Venugopal Rao sir, right? Okay, this is the para, first para, full stop. In case, first understand the concept, if I fails to repay the money, Venugopal Rao sir is having a right to cause the property to be sold. Answer, try to understand my language. Cause the property to be sold means he has a right to go to the court and ask the court to sell it. He cannot directly sell my house. Clear? That is that. Cause the property to be sold. Simple mortgage. Now listen, let me continue the point. Over. Sign. He also signed. He gave 10 lakhs rupees. I gave the paper. What I gave? Only non-judicial stamp paper I gave. My original house documents? Not given. Please concentrate. 10 lakhs rupees I have taken, only that stamp papers, whatever the value, that much only I typed and I gave. My all original documents are with me. Nothing I have given, only mortgage deed I gave. You know what is mortgage deed? We will see that point. Use a mortgage deed in witness there of something we are typing. Now question, Rao sir, tomorrow if you fails to pay, what Venugopal Rao sir will do? Two options. Number one, recovery of a money suit. Srinivasa Rao already working in Salgaonkar Law College, Goa. He will ask the court to attach Srinivasa Rao's salary. From the salary, every month I will get some money. Recovery of a money suit he can file. I am personally liable. What is the meaning personally liable? My salary can be attached. Take your money. Or, one more alternative. Ask the court, sell Srinivasa Rao house, Jyoti Nagar house. They will sell it in the court auction. Whatever the money they will pay him, remaining balance they will give to me. If the money is not sufficient, full money they will pay, still remaining balance from my salary they will attach and they will pay. How many understood? Simple mortgage. Simple mortgage, simply completed. Clear? Another mortgage. Practically most of us are happening. Deposit of title deeds. Bank. When you go to the bank, listen all of you, these are the mostly mortgages happening. When you go to the bank, what they will do? We have a legal advisor. Please go to the legal advisor. Take your documents. They will give a legal opinion. Please concentrate each and everyone, real life important, not only as an advocate. You will go to an advocate office, their legal advisor. He will ask, what property you want to mortgage? Sir, I have land, Pattadar passbook, some other revenue records, your original ORSD, original registered sale deed, everything you bring. They will read, your advocate will read everything. Linked documents. Finally he will write, my legal opinion is, he is having an equitable title to mortgage the property to your bank. I am giving my legal opinion subject to production of following documents. Advocate will give one legal notice. Legal advice. Legal opinion, correct word. Now I come to the point. Long 20 years back, I worked under one senior advocate in Karimnagar who used to give this legal opinion. We used to type that time. Right? Legal opinion. That legal opinion we will take to the bank. Bank people we will submit. Bank people what they will tell? Bring all your documents. Original sale deed, bring. Your Pattadar passbook, bring. Nil encumbrance, bring. Sir, so many. Your title is perfect. You are the owner. Very good. Sankletiya. Everything I gave. Registration no need. That mortgage registration not necessary. Original documents only with you. Why? Only one mortgage deed. Srinivasa Rao hereby mortgaging his property by depositing title deeds in favor of State Bank of India. My original documents only I gave. One mortgage deed I gave. According to your stamp value, stamp paper I purchase, type it, give. Yes, sir? Unregistered. Over. Registration naka. Because you are all original documents with the bank. There is a question, common sense question. Please you give the answer other than advocate. Simple. When you are giving all your documents to bank, why once again you have to write a mortgage deed? Other than advocate. Simple question. You gave all documents to the bank manager. You took the loan. Why mortgage deed once again you have to write? Though registration is not necessary, why mortgage deed is required? Yes? Sorry friend? Not giving by? Okay. Sorry sir? Okay. Any more? Please. It is a contract. Okay, evidence of a contract. Otherwise, listen, otherwise I can say that I gave to bank manager to keep in locker. My locker, he kept in his locker. How many understood? I am Shri 420. I hope you understood. First you write deposit On the basis of, like he said, a contract of mortgage enter. Why you are giving? Because of mortgage. Mortgage of deposit of title deeds. Over. Only one more I will tell you and stop it. Very rare cases this mortgage is also there. Not totally ruled out. Srinivasa Rao having a land, vacant land. He want to construct a bungalow or a building. Went to State Bank of India, Jyoti Nagar. Example, I am remembered very fastly that name of the street. I went to State Bank of India. Sir, I want to construct a building on my land. I want loan, sir. Srinivasa Rao, what are you giving security? That land I will give you as a mortgage. No. You do one thing. You are constructing building in. We don't have our State Bank of India branch in that area. We want to take your building, what you are constructing, for our branch purpose. So which means you construct, we will take possession. Concentrate. We are giving a loan to you. Construct, we will take possession. You will take possession. What is my advantage, sir? Wait. How much loan you want? 10 lakhs. Very good. 10 lakhs ni. For 10 lakhs, example I am telling you, don't calculate mathematical people or people. Around 5,000 rupees interest per month. Example I am telling you. For 10 lakhs, 5,000 rupees interest. Okay? Or okay, 10,000 rupees interest. And the bank people giving loan to me 10 lakhs, which means I have to pay 10,000 rupees to the bank as an interest every month. Very good. Jyoti Nagar, when I construct a building, when I gave the building any person for rent, 20,000 will come. Minimum. Come say come. Which means I have to pay to the bank 10,000 rupees interest. Building purpose, I am entitled 20,000. Bank has to pay me. So, this 10,000 if you reduce, still 10,000 bank has to pay me. From my principal money 10 lakhs, every month 10,000. Reduce karo. In this odd time, what a maths re. How many understood? Right. Just attempting second time. Very 3-4 people fastly understood. Simple, listen. Srinivasa Rao, State Bank of India. Vacant land, Srinivasa Rao taking a loan of 10 lakhs. Once Srinivasa Rao takes a loan of 10 lakhs, every month he has to pay 10,000 rupees interest to State Bank of India. Till now clear? Right. 10 lakhs I took from State Bank of India. I have to pay interest every month 10,000 to State Bank of India. For what purpose? I constructed a building, big building. This building SBI now staying. SBI took the possession. Actually, if this building, if I give to anybody, per month I will get 20,000 minimum rent. Who? Srinivasa Rao will get minimum 20,000 rupees rent. Which means SBI has to pay 20,000 rupees to Professor Rao. Correct or not? Because building is mine. Correct? Yes. So SBI has to pay 20,000 to Professor Rao for the purpose of they are taking the possession. Professor Rao has to pay 10,000 rupees to SBI for the purpose of